Hi everyone, this is Shriya Tamang. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can set up your default upload setting on DLSurf. With this quick setup, you can save your time every time you upload on DLSurf. So let's get started. First, log into your DLSurf account. Now, go to Settings section. You'll find this in your dashboard menu. In the setting page, you'll see the default upload setting option. Let's go through what you can customize here. Upload details. Here, you can set a default category and tags for your future uploads. This will be automatically filled in when you upload your next file. No need to type them in every time. Monetization options. Next up, choose how you want to monetize your content by default. You can select ads or set a price. If you choose ads, you will get additional options. Set the default number of ad steps. Enable or disable video ads, banner ads, or redirect ads. Visibility setting. And finally, decide who can see your uploads by default. Make them public, keep them private, or choose followers only. Once you have set up everything, don't forget to click the save button. At DLSurf, we are all about helping creators to save their time and stay focused on what you do the best, like creating awesome contents. So go ahead, set your defaults and upload with ease. For now, thanks for watching. Keep creating and keep growing with DLSurf. Thank you.